Hi guys, I'm back on my Death Knight without any add-ons, except the one we're talking about today. On the last video I was talking about Mask, and I decided to make a short video series of explanations how to set up specific add-ons I am using on my Mage's interface, just as a short reference. This is my Mage's interface. I posted it a few days ago on Reddit, and people have been asking me about what add-ons I'm using and how to set them up. So today we're talking about the little buddy on top of here. It's called Titan Pedal, one of the oldest add-ons I actually know. And we want to set it up like my mage. We want to have some basic information about the character because that's what Titan Pedal is doing. On the bottom left, we want to have the backspace, the gold, and our durability. So we cannot just drag it down there or something. We need to configure it. So we're going to right click on it after we installed it. Although before we go into configuration, keep in mind something which is neat about Titan Panel. It's different to Mask. There is so much more than the core add-on. Like there is so many plugins for Titan Panel. Just go into CurseForge, search for Titan Panel, and you can see there is bazillions of Titan Panel add-ons or plugins. Just a disclaimer, keep in mind, Titan Panel is around for a very, very, very long time. Plugins might be outdated and not be working, so you just gotta try around. For example, I downloaded a Titan Panel Cooking Pro plugin just for demonstration purposes. If I activate it, or deactivate it, I can see my cooking skill down here, over here, like up here. If I click it, I can open the cooking menu. You can see a 3 out of 100 in Legion cooking because it's like the highest on my Death Knight. It's here, like he's only level 58. And yeah, Titan Panel gives you basic information about your character without having to need to open stuff. Right, let's get rid of it again. Okay, we want it on the bottom left with like no bar at all, just like our information, gold, bags, and durability on the bottom left. So right click on the bar, configuration. First of all, get rid of the top bar. It's down here, show bar, uncheck it, bottom bar, check it. Up the bottom two, bottom bar. Like that. I have like I recorded a video before that and I scratched that. So oh, true. Check bottom bar, and there it is. Okay, so but there are no plugins, nothing. First of all, we don't want to see the bar. We want to have it gone. So we're just gonna go for the transparency 0. That's it. Keep in mind that the bar is still here. If you right click on the bottom, there's still the bar there. We just can't see it. Like if there is an NPC or something behind that, we cannot click it because there is the bar. Right click, configuration, plugins. We want to have like just gonna uncheck them. We want to have the bags on the bottom. We want to have the clock, in my case, on the bottom right. You can switch the size of your plugins by checking that. Right side plugin, if I uncheck that, the clock is on the left bottom. But I want to have it on the right bottom because it's just like the clock has to be there. Even in Windows. We gotta go with gold, show plugin, we gotta go with repair. Once you have your plugins loaded, you can just drag them to adjust the positions. This is fine for me. Then again, Titan Cooking, if I go show plugin, it's right there. That's basically Titan Panel. You can just switch around. You can maybe make it like visible again if it's not bugging around. Have different skins for it if you don't want to use a transparent bar. In my case, I just want to have it gone, and there it is, right there. You can also adjust a bit with scale and font. You can scale all the stuff right here. Be careful, UI scale is your actually UI scale of your entire UI. So if I just go there with like a 1, everything gets big, and we don't want to have that, right? Bottom spacing is like the spacing between all the plugins. Just adjust it how you want to have it. And then we got the font size without having the bar getting bigger, because if you just let me show it to you. If I go like that, and we're going back to scale and font, and we scale the whole Titan panel thing, everything gets bigger. We don't need that, right? Let's go with that. Have it gone. And if you just wanna make the text bigger, you can go with font size. You can even change your font. Okay, that's it for Titan panel. Like, there are advanced settings and some references about commands and stuff. You have like the profiles, all your loaded plugin we just configured. But that's pretty much it to Titan panel. You can use multiple bars, for example, like that, and then you have like a general option for all the bars. Blue arrow, thank you. Okay, that's it for Titan panel. And yeah, thanks for stopping by. I hope I can help you with setting up Titan panel, or like this add-on in particular. And if you need any help or have something on your mind talking to me, just leave a comment, and rather here or the Reddit post, I can help you wherever I can. So I must say goodbye, and we'll talk to you in the next video, in the next add-on. Bye bye.